Have you been trying to decide between Monday.com and Microsoft Planner, but aren't sure which one is actually worth your time and money in 2026? You're definitely not alone. Both tools are designed to help teams manage projects, collaborate more efficiently, and stay organized, but they target very different types of users. And in this video, we'll compare Monday.com and Microsoft Planner across pricing, ease of use, project management features, automation, collaboration, integrations, reporting, mobile experience, customer reviews, and overall value, so you can confidently choose the right platform for your business. Let's start with a quick overview. Microsoft Planner is Microsoft's task and project management solution that's deeply integrated into the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. If your company already uses Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Microsoft Office every day, Planner fits naturally into that environment. Monday.com, on the other hand, is a dedicated work management platform designed for businesses of all sizes. It goes far beyond simple task management by offering customizable workflows, CRM capabilities, project planning, automations, dashboards, resource management, and hundreds of third-party integrations. When it comes to ease of use, both platforms are beginner-friendly, but they approach work differently. Microsoft Planner focuses on simplicity. You create plans, organize tasks into buckets, assign work to team members, set due dates, and track progress using a clean Kanban-style interface. Most Microsoft users can start using Planner within minutes without much training. Monday.com also has an intuitive interface, but it offers much more flexibility. You can build workflows for marketing campaigns, software development, HR, CRM, sales pipelines, manufacturing, construction projects, customer onboarding, content planning, and much more. Because of this flexibility, there is a slightly longer learning curve, but once your workflows are configured, it becomes incredibly powerful. Now let's compare project management capabilities. Microsoft Planner is excellent for simple task management. You can assign responsibilities, create checklists, add attachments, use labels, set priorities, and visualize work through boards and calendars. For many small teams, that's more than enough. However, if your projects involve dependencies, advanced reporting, resource allocation, automation, multiple departments, recurring workflows, and custom dashboards, Planner starts to show its limitations. This is where Monday.com shines. Monday.com supports multiple project views, including Kanban boards, Gantt charts, timelines, calendars, workload management maps, and customizable dashboards. You can build workflows exactly the way your business operates rather than adapting your business to fit the software. Automation is another major difference. Microsoft Planner offers some automation through Microsoft Power Automate, but setting it up often requires additional configuration and knowledge of Microsoft's ecosystem. Monday.com includes built-in no-code automations. You can automatically assign tasks, notify team members, move projects between stages, create recurring tasks, send reminders, update statuses, and integrate workflows without writing any code. This saves significant administrative time, especially for growing businesses. Let's talk about collaboration. Microsoft Planner integrates beautifully with Microsoft Teams. Team members can discuss tasks, share files through SharePoint, collaborate in Office documents, and manage work from within Teams. If your organization already relies heavily on Microsoft 365, this seamless experience is a huge advantage. Monday.com also offers excellent collaboration. Users can comment on tasks, mention teammates, upload files, track updates, communicate within projects, and collaborate across departments. It also integrates with Microsoft Teams, Slack, Zoom, Gmail, Outlook, and many other collaboration tools. Now let's discuss integrations. Microsoft Planner naturally works best within Microsoft's ecosystem. If your business primarily uses Outlook, Excel, Word, Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint, Planner provides a very smooth experience. Monday.com supports hundreds of integrations, including Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Slack, Zoom, Dropbox, Salesforce, HubSpot, Jira, GitHub, Shopify, Stripe, MailChimp, Zapier, and many more. This makes it a much better choice for businesses using multiple software platforms. Reporting and dashboards are another area where Monday.com clearly leads. Microsoft Planner offers basic progress tracking and task visualization, but advanced reporting often requires Power BI or additional Microsoft services. Monday.com provides beautiful real-time dashboards that allow managers to monitor workloads, project health, deadlines, budgets, timelines, and team productivity all from a single screen. These dashboards are highly customizable and provide valuable insights for decision makers. Let's look at customization. Planner is intentionally simple. While that's great for straightforward projects, customization options are relatively limited. Monday.com is one of the most customizable work management platforms available. You can create custom columns, formulas, statuses, automations, permissions, templates, and workflows tailored specifically to your organization. If your processes are unique, Monday.com offers much greater flexibility. Now let's compare pricing. Microsoft Planner is generally included with many Microsoft 365 business subscriptions, making it extremely cost-effective for organizations already paying for Microsoft services. Monday.com uses separate subscription plans based on features and team size. While it costs more than Planner, it also provides significantly more capabilities for organizations that require advanced project management. If your company only needs basic task management and already has Microsoft 365, Planner offers outstanding value. If your business requires advanced workflow automation, dashboards, CRM functionality, and scalable project management, Monday.com easily justifies its additional cost. Now let's discuss mobile apps. Both platforms offer mobile applications for iOS and Android. Microsoft Planner provides a clean mobile experience for checking tasks, updating progress, and collaborating with team members. Monday.com's mobile app offers more functionality, allowing users to manage projects, update workflows, communicate with teams, and monitor dashboards while away from the office. For remote teams and field employees, both apps perform well, although Monday.com provides more comprehensive project management capabilities on mobile devices. Now let's talk about customer reviews. According to Trustpilot, Monday.com currently has a trust score of approximately 2.4 out of 5 based on thousands of reviews. Positive reviews often praise its flexibility, ease of customization, and powerful project management capabilities. However, some users criticize pricing, upselling, and customer support experiences. Trustpilot. It's important to remember that Trustpilot often attracts users who have experienced billing or support issues, so it shouldn't be viewed in isolation. Looking at broader software review platforms gives a more balanced picture. On Gartner Peer Insights, Monday.com holds an overall rating of approximately 4.5 out of 5 from verified enterprise users, while Microsoft receives approximately 4.3 out of 5 for Planner. Users frequently praise Monday.com for flexibility and workflow management, whereas Microsoft Planner is appreciated for its simplicity and seamless Microsoft 365 integration. Gartner. So which platform should you choose? Choose Microsoft Planner if your business already uses Microsoft 365 extensively, your projects are relatively straightforward, your budget is limited, and you simply need an easy-to-use task management solution without advanced workflow customization. Choose Monday.com if you need a scalable platform capable of handling marketing campaigns, sales pipelines, CRM processes, HR workflows, software development, manufacturing operations, customer onboarding, or complex project management across multiple departments. Monday.com is particularly well suited for growing businesses that expect their operational complexity to increase over time. In our opinion, Microsoft Planner is one of the best lightweight task management tools for organizations already committed to Microsoft's ecosystem. It's affordable, familiar, and simple to deploy. However, if you're looking for a complete work operating system that can grow with your business, automate repetitive work, integrate with hundreds of applications, and provide powerful reporting and customization, Monday.com is the stronger long-term investment. Ultimately, both platforms are excellent. The right choice depends entirely on your business needs, existing software ecosystem, and future growth plans. If this comparison helped you make a decision, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth software comparisons. And finally, do check out the links in the description to get the discount of up to 40% on Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.